Hello all, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be covering what is subtitle translation and how it is different from normal translation. And I'll share some quick useful notes based on our experience from the subtitle translation. Before we share the notes, let us first of all understand what are subtitles. So what do you think? What are subtitles? Subtitles are a text version of a dialogue spoken during the video content. And why, subtitle translation is important. When you translate subtitle of your video, more viewers can enjoy your content and the content becomes borderless. One more reason which I came across recently and I found it quite interesting. So let me share that with you. As we all know, because of all the media hype, there is a dramatic decrease in the trust people have like in businesses, government, non-profits and media. And what happens is to gain the trust, many companies, individuals are creating videos to make things look real and increase the trust. In fact, I have seen many politicians have also started creating their own videos. Again, this part is debatable, whether this increases trust or not. But definitely we have seen a surge in video creation in the recent years. So let us come back to the point. Let us see what are the points that you need to keep in mind while translating subtitles. As a common person, when someone asks what are subtitles or what do you mean by translation of subtitles, you will feel that like this is similar to just a translation activity, translation, the way you translate documents. Am I right? But you're not right. Why? Because subtitle translation goes beyond that. It's not just mere translation. There are a couple of points that you need to take into account. So the first point is subtitle translation. You have a limited number of characters to translate. You have only 2 lines with again limited number of characters in each line. The third point is you have to summarize the message and not just translate the message, as that message should make sense to the audience, right? The fourth point is sometimes you have to change the tense of the sentence or meaning, or you may have to omit some of the words or alter the message to make sure that you keep the rhythm of that original video and convey the same message from that original video. You may need to create a subtitle itself from the scratch, right? This is the 5th point, that I have came across, which, many times clients gives you just the video and you have to create the subtitle from the scratch. And in that case, you have to look at the sentences, where to break the sentences, you have to understand the structure. So there are many things that you need to keep in mind or you have to take into account while creating subtitles. So these are some of the points that I've come across while translating subtitles. Again, these are based on our experience, but please feel free to share your experience so the wider audience can get benefit out of our intelligence. Again, only if you think that this video was helpful, may I request you to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that we'll be able to share with you all the contents in the future that we'll create regarding translation, subtitling and subtitling, translation, voiceover related activities. Very soon we'll be coming up with very interesting feature that will help to automate most of your mundane tasks and it will help you focus only on your creative work like in the subtitle translation. So please stay tuned, check out our webpage regularly to know more. Thank you very much and happy translating. Bye.